And this is still the Mini Habit for the Mini Habit TV. And it's actually 2 p.m. right now. So, and it's raining outside if you can hear it from the background noise. So, well, I've been sleeping the whole day. And so I decided to take this video instead. And I've been thinking earlier what kind of topic I'd be bringing to you guys, and okay, nakawala na ako. I'll just share to you my story, how I got here in Cebu. Okay? So, first, well, even before getting in Cebu, I think it all started when I was in high school or maybe college na, that I've always heard about this call center thing. And I've always been fascinated by the idea of what will happen if I get to that work situation. So that has been my dream. Although I took up education, but it didn't really stop me from dreaming that one day I'd be a call center agent. So okay, year 2015, I guess. I worked, that was the second school year that I worked for a Catholic school, and so yes, I was also able to apply my degree for 2 years, so I think that's fair enough. And when I met Christine Lagna is actually the cashier in our school at that time, and then we started to become friends. Until we got to the topic of that she wanted to get here in Cebu. So I was like, uy, ako po, ganahan po, hindi na po, more po, sabot namin, hindi na kami nga, anak. So, pagkahuman agto, anak may masabot niya, sige, hawat tayo. Itong hawat po niya, puhon, dungan pa Cebu. And ito po siya. My father didn't really want me to get here initially, but because of course I'm a Dallas girl, and you know, there's no need for a lot of explanation. You will really get it the moment that your father says, ayun, magod ang tuloy ko, layo kayo, isa may magbantay niyo. And yeah, that's one part. So here comes the time that I told my father that hindi, nakapigong may ako kwarto to give me Cebu. Natanga akong father kadali or siya kabanon sa ingan. Pero, siguro naluoy siya. Naluoy ba siya? Or yung ano, grabe nga nakatibong, miskin nga may swim. Actually, gamay kapig swim ko ito time. So, may imagine mo na nakaangkot kong tibong. Wala ko mention sa kung ano specific na ka salary, pero baka iwan rin ko rin yung mga ako. Ang salary before is, igo rin siya nga na ako'y padaplin. So, lang na ako mapadaplin. Kung color, maplitit akong bus every day from school to, you know, from home to school, school to home, and then, so muna to. And year May 2016, abot na diri sa Cebu, and among first na di-applyan was Teletech, wag na dawat, and second na di-applyan is Convergence. So muna to, dawat ni, pero lahi ni og account ni Christine, and di na namin mention, of course, bahol na. I'm so happy I was able to find my first family in Cebu, which is the Wave 22, and we were trained by Don the time for the product itself. And I can only tell you that sila gyud ang ako ang maingon na family gyud ako diri sa Cebu, aside sa akong igagaw na si Ate Vivet, si Mawet. And isa mo to. But sad to say, after 9 months only, I wasn't really able to, or I decided to, you know, resign from work. And but I can definitely tell you, wala awol nga nahitabo ha. Ni render jud kung sakto ni hatag ko resignation. You know, it's when you feel like the environment is not really that cool enough, so you decide to do something because you want to save yourself from feeling lonely. Right? So, what is that? And then 3 months after, never to Wipro, and I got to an airline account, and I'm really happy about it. I had the, I'm sorry, atay, tang, bullshit. I actually was part of Wave 16. Pila lang sa kauban ako dala, silang Shakira, silang Army, silang Ate Faith, Mami Army, actually daghan. Bibo kay mga wave called kay, syempre nga si Shakira, sa mga nakailan ni Shakira, grabe, lahi, as in, ingon ko just na nauna nga ang Wave 16 is Sweat 16. Magpaningot ko sa buong YouTube. Ana, ito. So, mo to, bibo kaayo, and I didn't really expect na ganahan kay ko sa account. Kaya ano, di ba itong first na mag-book ka kung siguro. And then, ma-auto siya. Kung ako nag-expect na yung note ko sa account. Imagine, I was able to stay in that account and for the company because of the account for 2 years and 1 month. Long enough for me to say, compared to the 9 months that I had in the first BPO company, right? And then, after I grew, actually, naka-TL na ko si TL May. Grabe ko strict ka. TL May, the girls name. That's what hindi siya nakukaroon. Pero, natin si TL May, I don't really siya bigla. I will always remember, ang kumagamoto niya sa mga is just, moto ba na niya? Or, yan ang i-permine sa mga like, always be the right thing. And I remember na kaisa na napumakuan niya, kaya kanila ginubag ko pati sa fraud, niya nakablo ko sa hindi, gano'n, wala na kablo sa explain sa pasero. Ang ending, yung balik transfer na ako. Yung kinasak naman, so sa ka-TL daw, I don't know, kinsa. Pero gano'n na nakakinsa ko, na nakibunda. Pumoto, napungko niya. Yung after ito, hindi ko nag-valid transfer ko, pero ako gano'n cloud, yawa. Nila mo. So, mato siya. Pero si TL may graduate. Ngayon lang pa, itong first pinaka-impression na ako, akal mo yun. Ano siya? Easy. Wala, di ba kung stick ako? Ayun, kung buyo, ano. Pero no, once you get to know her, makaingan siya ka nga, mga musteri yun siya ako itong sa trabaho ko. I can say that. I've been a part of her team, and she's one of the best in the project. Okay. But yeah. And then after staying with her, like somewhere in August or September, I guess, she had to leave out of the company. She went to Sydney, Australia, I think. And then she took up culinary there, which is really her hobby, which is really her dream, and we are so happy for her. And then we were transferred to another TL. To be honest, we didn't have a cool relationship with each other. But yeah, after, so just last April 30, I also decided to give my resignation letter, but of course, still again, I rendered it properly. So I had 1 month after that. May 24 was the end of my work. And then I just went home 1 month sa Amo sa Mindanao. And I was able to spend much more time with my family during that time. I was so happy accompanying my father. Kaya mag-dialysis siya. Napalakay siya ng babae, di ko kayo. And I was also able to make yaya. So, bantay ko sa pagwang ko na si Licho. Hello, Licho. And so, Dibora. It was really even productive because I was able to clean my bedroom again. I was able to fix the other bedroom beside me and made it into the bedroom of my sister. Ang lang sa na akaroon, no? Hinaot lang, lagyang payment na murag kape, kaayo at tuloy mo yung giransak. And okay, manito siya. Right now, I am still in this, I'm actually gonna have an appointment later for a new job. And I'm excited about it. I can't tell you what or I think I should not disclose it for now, since you know the job is still the job that I'm getting is still on the process for everything. So, but what I can tell is I'm really excited about it. It's something new to me because I used to be a customer service representative, but this one has to be technical for now. And I'm really excited again. And then, what else? Happiest thing about being here in Cebu is that I learned to be independent. And that was also one of my reasons why I wanted to get a job that's quite far from us, from our home, because I wanted to be independent, and I have learned so much in all my experiences here. And I'm forever thankful for those people who's been really part of my journey here from Mawet, na nakapuyo ko sa yaw ikaduha. Thank you so much, Mawet. Kang Christine, na mami na karon, and I can't wait to see your daughter. And congratulations, Anna. Sa akong Wave 16, Wave 22 family, 16 from the CVG, 20, Team Ding Dong, Team Mai, Team Kokei, Sweet, Wave 22, and yeah, I'm really happy na na-meet ta mo tanan. Dili lang kanya extended pa kay napon mga nailan ring friends, and I'm really happy nga, you know, we were able to get along with each other. Sumuto siya. And isa pa ba, so far memorable experiences na ako dali sa Cebu is syempre ka ng mga sinulog. Wow, na sa ato kung naa magaling kay igor o tamanan awat mga gusto ko ng mga nagati-atihan ng mga dance, no? Ramot. May mahado ko dito sa mga bata pa kita ng kato ano na pag sinulog niya yung mga manggiitumid sa ilang mura ba tigi charcoal nila lang tubok lawas, no? I still don't know about that. Mura na gila kong curious before. And then I'm happy. You guys know that I've always, or for those who really you know, for those people who knows me well, they know nga wala pa ko ever before kinakauyab. But okay, dili na ko na ila sa Cebu, galing nga the first boyfriend, my first boyfriend, and I'm really happy. It was all unexpected, you know, the meeting and everything. I think it's something I'm not just gonna share for now. I want to share it in another video and on the right timing. Hopefully a video with him so we can share about it. And I'm just so happy. I grew up. I emotionally, spiritually grew up in Cebu, and I've learned so much about life. And that's one thing. And even if I'm here in Cebu, of course, hindi na kumita ng mom. Mami Gina. You're so special to me, Mom, and I miss you every day. I wish na, you know, I see you more often sa akong langgo. I miss you every day. I love you, Mom. Same with my father, Daddy Don and Don. Thank you for everything. You're right now, you're my reason to live, my reason to go to work, my reason to give my life to the fullest. And thank you for allowing me to be here. Okay, we're almost done, I guess. I just want to make this as a 15-minute video only because I don't want to talk too much. I know I've already spent much of your time, but thank you for watching this video. And actually have a coffee with me. I know that for the second video that I had when I made a quick room tour with you guys, I was also drinking coffee at the time. And yeah, I have another one here for you to see. Pero naging ko yung coffee. So no, ayun lang mong kahadlok. If you want to get your luck and try your luck here in Cebu, then go for it. We will all have hard times, of course. Humble beginnings. Failure will be a part of it, but it shouldn't be the end of everything. Remember to keep trying, okay? And yeah, you should love yourself the way you love your life, okay? The way you want it to be happy. Do whatever that makes you happy, do whatever you love to do. Always smile, okay? So again, thank you so much now and for taking your time with me. This is Lavinia Hempe for Lavinia Hempe. You guys take care. And please, if you want, you can definitely subscribe below. Thank you.